AI is flooding the LMS space, powering course recommendations, auto-generating content, tagging assets, and even predicting who's at risk of not completing training. It all sounds game-changing, but which of these are working well today, which are maturing, and how could they reshape learning in the next few years? That's what we'll cover today. Before we dive in, a quick thank you to our sponsors. This video is brought to you by several LMS leaders, including our title sponsor, Absorb, as well as our other sponsors and partners, talentlms, Cornerstone, Skyprep, Kallidus, Thinkific, and Tovuti. You can learn more about them through the links in the description, and stick around to the end for more helpful resources. All right, let's dive in. Before we talk about features, it's worth stating that AI is not magic. It's a mirror, and it reflects what you feed it. If your LMS data is messy, your AI results will be too. Before chasing AI, audit your LMS hygiene. Clean up learners, roles, and groups, standardize naming and tagging for courses and learning paths, enforce data validation rules for new content and users, and archive or retire junk and duplicate courses. With that out of the way, let's look at what is AI already doing well in LMSs. Here's where AI is already delivering measurable ROI today. Personalized recommendations and learning paths. AI models can look at things like role, department, courses completed, interests, or behavior in the platform, and then recommend what to learn next. For example, learners who completed X often take Y. In more mature implementations, AI can dynamically adjust paths, fast-tracking advanced learners, or pointing struggling learners to extra support. Auto-tagging and content classification. Uploading a new video or course shouldn't mean 30 minutes of manual tagging. AI can analyze courses and suggest topics, skills, difficulty level, and audiences. AI-assisted assessments and question generation. Building quizzes and assessments is historically tedious. AI can help generate draft quiz questions from course content, suggest distractors for multiple choice options, and create scenario-based prompts or questions. Search, chatbots, and just-in-time support. AI-powered search and chatbots are becoming one of the most valuable LMS features. Learners can ask natural language questions like, how do I escalate a customer complaint, get links to relevant micro lessons, documents or policy snippets, and access AI-generated summaries of long courses or documents. Early risk and engagement signals. In more advanced setups, AI can analyze login frequency, course start and stop patterns, time on task, and quiz performance, and then flag things like learners likely to drop off, teams with low engagement, and courses that consistently cause bottlenecks or failures. Before we move on, a quick shout out to our title sponsor, Absorb. Absorb is a leading AI-powered LMS designed to handle everything from onboarding and upskilling to customer education, partner enablement, and more. And here's the kicker. With Absorb, you get a single unified platform that can meet the learning needs of all your stakeholders, including employees, customers, partners, and others. This means you don't have to worry about managing multiple systems or trying to integrate different platforms. Thanks to Absorb for supporting this series. Check them out through the link in the description to see if it's the right fit for your business. Now, back to the show. Where is AI and LMS platforms still maturing? AI has made huge strides, but like anything new, some areas are still maturing. Here are a few areas where innovation is actively ongoing. True skills mapping and skills graphs. A lot of vendors talk about skills clouds or skill graphs. Right now, many of these can infer skills from job titles or course completions, but struggle to reflect your specific competencies and proficiency levels. Deep conversational copilots for L&D and leaders. LMS copilots should be able to answer questions like, which onboarding modules have the strongest correlation with sales ramp time? Or what should a new engineering manager learn in their first 90 days here? But most systems still only handle basic queries or surface predefined reports. The future is copilots that can navigate your org structure, content, and metrics in a truly contextual way, but we're not fully there yet. Fully automated, pedagogically sound content creation. Can AI draft a module? Absolutely. But can it reliably create instructionally solid, nuanced learning experiences with the right examples, tone, and progression without human oversight? Not consistently. AI is excellent as a first drafter and idea generator, but humans still need to shape learning objectives, ensure accuracy and nuance, and design activities that drive behavior change. Proctoring, cheating detection, and ethics. AI-based remote proctoring and cheating detection are hot topics, but false positives are a real risk, privacy and bias concerns are ongoing, and user experience can suffer if systems feel overly intrusive. This area is evolving, but it still requires careful policy decisions and clear communication with learners. If you want to ride the LMS AI wave instead of getting blindsided, here's what to do today. Clean your LMS data. Fix user records, standardize tags and structures, and retire outdated or duplicate courses. Map your highest value use cases. Identify the most painful manual work and discovery problems where AI could realistically help. Start small with 1 to 2 pilots. Choose focused, low-risk AI use cases, launch them, and track adoption and impact. Put guardrails and review loops in place. Decide where human review is mandatory and how admins and learners can flag bad outputs. And educate your teams about AI. Explain how and where you're using AI, frame it as an assistant, not a replacement, and show people how to work with it. There you have it, AI and LMS platforms and what the future may hold. One more big thank you to the sponsors who made this series possible, including our title sponsor, Absorb, as well as our other sponsors and partners, talentlms, Cornerstone, Skyprep, Kallidus, Thinkific, and Tovuti. Each of these offers their own take on LMS innovation, and we've included links to them in the description if you'd like to explore further. That's it, that's all. See you next time. Cheers.